Hello everyone, welcome back to Despicable Maine. In today's video, we're addressing a specific case filing legal action against attorney Jeff Toothaker. We'll cover the basics of filing a bar complaint, affidavit of facts, and a notice of claim. Stick around as we delve into how attorney's indemnity insurance might come into play. Let's jump right in. Filing a bar complaint against Jeff Toothaker. Before we dive into the process, let's briefly talk about Despicable Jeff Toothaker. Jeff Toothaker is a criminal defense attorney in Hancock County, Maine. Jeff has the highest conviction rate in the entire county. Jeff is the first court-appointed lawyer the court picks if the defendant will be found automatically guilty in hopes of turning the individual into a cash cow. Jeff is actually paid to convict court-appointed clients. Jeff is so proud of this misconduct he has a license plate on his Rolls-Royce that says crime pays. Despicable Jeff has a Rolls-Royce, yet never wins a case. He wrongfully convicts people for a living and is very proud of it. The reality is, Jeff is trying to convict clients the easiest way possible. Jeff is nothing more than an extension of the district attorney's office. Jeff is not alone in this misconduct. Robert Van Horn, Charles Helfrich, William Blaisdell, and many other court-appointed attorneys will do the same thing. They will all use denial of due process to convict you just as fast. If you don't know, guilt or innocence is determined in the Hancock County, Maine court based more on gender or by whether you are a member of the Good Old Boys Club than any facts. The actual facts are of no concern whatsoever to this or any other Maine court. In all Maine courts, a conviction is all that matters. These people want you always struggling and doing nothing but always paying them. If you live in Maine, does this sound like your life living there? Maine uses the court system to control and pilfer from those not in their Good Old Boys Club. The goal of all Maine courts is to turn you into their cash cow. So if you've had less than ideal experiences with Jeff Toothaker or any court-appointed lawyer and believe their conduct is questionable, filing a bar complaint is a way to address those concerns. Start by documenting your grievances against Jeff Toothaker. Keep detailed records of interactions, emails, and any evidence supporting your claims. This forms the foundation for your bar complaint. If you need help, ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the best resource for helping to identify attorney misconduct. Jeff Toothaker is an easy example. He has been using misconduct on a daily basis for years. Every court-appointed client he has ever had likely has a valid bar complaint for ineffective counsel. This is because Jeff is a master at helping convict defendants the easiest way possible, typically by ignoring the client, letting them sit in jail, and providing absolutely no defense whatsoever. During trial, Jeff is likely too busy playing Angry Birds on his cell phone than providing any defense for any court-appointed client. How to file a bar complaint against Jeff Toothaker, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understanding the grounds. Before filing a complaint, make sure you understand the grounds for doing so. Common reasons include unethical behavior, inadequate representation, or other violations of professional conduct. Check your state's Bar Association website for specific guidelines. Jeff is known for telling defendants anything he has to make them think he is helping with their case when in fact he's doing absolutely nothing to help them. With Jeff Toothaker, look for the following violations: providing no defense, ignoring requests to file motions or any other requests that may help the defendant, assisting the district attorney in hiding favorable evidence, lying and deceit, violating confidentiality rules. Through his actions over the years, Jeff simply does not care about confidentiality, lying, deceit, ignoring requests, or assisting the district attorney in the Brady violation. Step 2. Document everything. Start by documenting everything related to your case. Keep a detailed record of interactions with Jeff, including emails, letters, and conversations. Note dates, times, and content. This documentation will be crucial when presenting your case. Step 3. Gather evidence. Gather evidence to support your claims. This may include relevant documents, contracts, invoices, and any other materials related to your legal representation. Collect any tapes or videos that may help your case. When raising concerns or seeking clarification, ask ChatGPT. Step 4. Communicate in writing. When you communicate with Jeff Toothaker in writing, this creates a paper trail and serves as documentation of your attempts to address the issues. Requesting written responses is also important. Step 5. Request case file. Request a complete copy of your case file from Jeff. This should include all documents, correspondences, and records related to your case. All attorneys are obligated to provide you with this information. Inspect this paperwork for missing, incomplete, or washed out photos. Step 6. Check bar violations. Research common bar violations with ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT how to identify misconduct and check the bar website and look up the attorney and note any other misconduct committed by the attorney. This could include inadequate representation, failure to respond to inquiries, or ethical breaches. Note the violations for your complaint. Check your state's Bar Association website for specific guidelines on filing a bar complaint, and you can later use ChatGPT to draft a bar complaint letter. Ask ChatGPT how to identify misconduct. Also, ask ChatGPT how to write example bar complaints. Cross-reference ChatGPT responses to the state bar's website to identify specific rules attorneys must follow, then have ChatGPT draft the bar complaint letter itself. Remember, filing a bar complaint against any attorney using this process will only cost you a postage stamp. Also understand, you do not have to use their complaint form to file a bar complaint. You can just send them a letter. They cannot reject your complaint because it was not submitted on their clown form they made to look official. On their despicable complaint form, they ask for a birth date and last 4 digits of your social security number. They ask for this so they can look up your bank account and other financial information. They want to know as much as they can about you, especially how much money you have to potentially file a claim and sue them with. Step 7. File the complaint. Ask ChatGPT to write an example bar complaint with the relevant information you have discovered. Copy the response into your word processing application, correct and print it out. Attach your documentation and evidence. Submit the complaint to the State Bar Association. Section 2. Filing an affidavit of facts against Jeff Toothaker, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Bar complaint background. Before we jump into the affidavit, ensure you filed a bar complaint against the attorney. This serves as the foundation for your affidavit of facts. Once you have filed a bar complaint for each violation against Jeff Toothaker for his misconduct, to strengthen your case, consider filing an affidavit of facts against Jeff Toothaker. This sworn statement allows you to provide detailed information about his misconduct. It's your chance to present a comprehensive account. Step 2. Understanding the affidavit. An affidavit of facts is a sworn statement providing detailed information about the misconduct you've experienced. It's a crucial document in supporting your case against the attorney. Let's go through the steps. Step 3. Gather supporting evidence. Collect all the evidence you gathered for your bar complaint. This includes documents, emails, letters, and any other materials that support your claims. The stronger your evidence, the more impactful your affidavit will be. Ask ChatGPT how to write example of affidavit of facts based on the violation of state bar rules you identified. Step 4. Drafting the affidavit. Begin drafting your affidavit with ChatGPT. Present a detailed account of the facts, making sure to reference specific incidents and evidence. Keep refining your prompt until the affidavit of facts is how you want. Add a clear introduction stating your name, relationship to the case, and your purpose in filing the affidavit. Step 5. Swearing the affidavit. This next step will cost a few dollars but will help put an end to Jeff Toothaker's misconduct. Visit a notary public or an authorized official to swear your affidavit under oath. This adds a layer of legal credibility to your sworn statement against Jeff Toothaker. Step 6. Submitting the affidavit. Once sworn, submit the affidavit to the appropriate authorities. This may be the court handling your case or any agency specified in your jurisdiction. Follow the submission guidelines carefully. Step 7. Follow up and document. Follow up on the status of your affidavit. Keep detailed records of all interactions related to the affidavit. If further action is required, be proactive in pursuing it. Documentation is key. Filing a notice of claim against Jeff Toothaker, a step-by-step guide. If you are seeking damages for harm caused by Jeff Toothaker's misconduct, filing a notice of claim is the next step. This formal document signals your intention to take legal action against him. Step 1. Background check, bar complaint and affidavit. Before we proceed, make sure you filed a bar complaint against the attorney and prepared an affidavit of facts. These documents serve as the foundation for your notice of claim if you haven't done that yet. Step 2. Understanding the notice of claim. A notice of claim is a formal document notifying the attorney that you intend to take legal action against them. It's a crucial step in the process, signaling your intention to seek damages for any harm caused by the attorney's misconduct. Step 3. Reviewing bar complaint and affidavit. Review your bar complaint and affidavit of facts thoroughly. Identify key points and incidents that will be highlighted in your notice of claim. These documents will serve as the backbone of your legal case. Step 4. Drafting the notice of claim. Use ChatGPT to draft a clear and concise notice of claim against Jeff Toothaker. Summarize key points from your bar complaint and affidavit of facts. Clearly state the damages you've suffered and the relief you seek. Begin drafting your notice of claim. Start with a clear introduction, stating your name, the attorney's name, and the intention to file a legal claim. Include a summary of the misconduct outlined in your bar complaint and affidavit. Ask ChatGPT to write an example notice of claim based on your bar complaint and affidavit of facts. Keep refining your prompt until you have the notice of claim how you want. Step 5. Detailing damages and relief sought. Provide a detailed account of the damages you've suffered as a result of the attorney's misconduct. Clearly state the relief you are seeking, whether it's financial compensation, rectification of the issue, or any other appropriate remedy. Step 6. Consultation with an attorney. This step is optional, but considering Jeff Toothaker's history, consulting with another attorney at this stage may be advisable. Their insights may help ensure your notice of claim aligns with legal standards. Visit a notary public or an authorized official to swear your affidavit under oath. Step 7. Serve the notice of claim. Once your notice of claim is ready, serve it to the attorney. This can be done through certified mail. Keep copies and records of all communications. Step 8. Follow up and legal proceedings. Follow up on the attorney's response. If necessary, proceed with legal action based on the outcome. Document all interactions and be prepared for potential legal proceedings. Now, let's talk about attorney's indemnity insurance and how it might come into play with Jeff Toothaker. This insurance provides financial protection for attorneys facing legal claims related to their professional conduct. When you file a bar complaint, affidavit, or notice of claim against Jeff Toothaker, his indemnity insurance may cover legal expenses and potential damages resulting from successful claims. Keep in mind that indemnity insurance doesn't guarantee compensation, and coverage varies. It depends on the nature of the claim and the specific terms of the insurance policy held by Jeff Toothaker. Filing legal action against Jeff Toothaker involves a bar complaint, affidavit of facts, and a notice of claim. Understanding the basics and the potential role of attorneys' indemnity insurance is crucial. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal insights and despicable tactics used by Despicable Maine. Thanks for joining us today.